Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I thought I would do a baking video for you guys, as I've said in past videos that I'm quite a keen baker, so I thought I would share with you guys one of the recipes that I've recently come across and that I'm trying to try out different flavours, as you say. So this video I will be making stuffed cookies. So if you love baking or just want to try it or just curious as to what I got up to today, then please carry on watching this video.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities, can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry it wasn't more of me talking to the camera, but unfortunately it was a busy kitchen today, and obviously there was washing on, so all you could hear in my videos when I was filming was just the washing machine making noises. So maybe next time when no one's home I can do a more face-to-face tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested in baking, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love baking. Sorry if the camera angle has changed slightly, guys. My camera battery died, so anyway, as I was saying, yeah, in line to baking, as we're on this topic, I thought I would share with you guys that I have started my own baking business from home. I've created my own social media, so I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok as well. So if you guys are interested in following me and following along on my journey, then I'll pop all my socials along the bottom here for you guys to find me. I posted quite a few videos and things on TikTok and on my reels. I've just started doing some reels. Yeah, just come and see what I've been up to if you want to be nosy. If you want any tips and tricks, then come and follow me on my journey. So I'm very excited. It's something I wanted to do for a long time, and obviously I can do it alongside my part-time job, which is really nice. So yes, I'm very excited. So I'm just slowly building that up. I've literally just started about a month ago. I've had a couple of orders so far, and I'm just kind of baking at home and trialing new recipes and flavours and things. So maybe every now and then I'll post a few baking videos on here on my channel if you guys would be interested. So love you and leave you on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll link all of my socials down below in the description box. And anyway, I'm rambling on now, so yes, I thought I'd share that with you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I do other videos as well. I've done hauls, days out. I'm slowly doing travelling hauls now that things are opening back up again. So yes, if you want to join my little family, then yes, please subscribe. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.